Okay, myself Gautam. Okay, myself Gautam and I'm here to explain you the lesson motion straight line. First, let us study the basic. You may think why basic, but most of the people when they read this lesson, they feel they just keep on reading and they may not understand even a single word and single meaning and single sentence. So I'm thinking to make it easy for them. First, let us study the basics like what is velocity, speed, distance, and displacement. First, let us study what is distance and displacement, the most basic thing. Okay, as I tell you what is distance. Distance is nothing but a total distance traveled by an object for example. Okay, wait, I'm not good at drawing, but still I'm trying it to explain you very clearly. Okay, let me draw it for you now. Okay. Are you guys okay with it? Yes, I think so. Okay, let this be point E and let this be point B. What is distance? Distance is nothing but the total distance traveled by an object. Remember, distance is nothing but total path length covered by an object. What is path length? The distance from A to B is nothing but the path length. The total path from A to B is said to be distance. Okay, for example, let an object start to move from point A to B. Consider an object moving from point A to B, then the distance covered by the object. Okay, now consider the distance between A to B is 120 meter, and car is moving from point A to point B, and the distance covered by the car is 120 meter. And what is displacement? Okay, what is displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance traveled by the object. Shortest distance traveled by the object. For example, consider, okay, before telling what is displacement clearly, let me tell you guys what is distance. Okay, for example, consider car moving from point A to B, and 1 second returns from point B to point A. The distance traveled by the car is 240 meters, whereas the displacement, now I'm talking about displacement. Okay, think a car moves from point A to B and comes back to A. The displacement is 0. Do you know why? It comes back to A. See, a car moves from point A to B and 1 second returns from B to A, and the displacement is 0. As I said, displacement is the shortest distance traveled by an object. Okay, now let me differentiate properly what is distance and displacement. Distance is the total path length traveled by an object, and displacement is the shortest distance between the initial point to final position. What is initial? Initial position is nothing but point A, and final position is point B, where initial position is where object starts moving, final position is where it reaches. And I would like to say that distance is always scalar quantity, and displacement is vector quantity, and distance may be positive and displacement may be positive, negative, 0. And I would like to tell you some more points which may help you to need. Okay, the ratio of distance and displacement is greater than or equal to 1, whereas the ratio of displacement to distance is lesser than or equal to 1. I think you may get it. You have got it. And thank you. And next video I'm going to talk to on the topic what is velocity and speed. If you would like it, please subscribe and like it.